All right, folks, insert tables. Go ahead and download the insert tables, open it up, and I will meet you there. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come down here to slide 3, temperature range. In the content placeholder, insert a table. Okay, I'm going to scroll over this, click on it, with 5 columns and 3 rows. Click OK. There we go. Enter the following information. And okay. So we have winter, spring, winter. I'm hitting tab each time to move to the next column. Okay, you can also use your directional arrows to move around the table if you're having trouble moving between cells. So tab, and then I'm using the arrow keys right here. Right. 5 and 6. Yep. I'm going to center the table within the content area on the slide. Okay. All right, let's just kind of, there's it centered there. All right, and then I want to drag it up till I get the center line from there. Perfect. Okay, so I'm still holding the mouse down and I'm kind of moving this table around. I've selected the entire object. I want to really look for that intersection. Okay, go ahead and save and submit. That's it for this one.